Let's break one open. Ooh, look at that. Be sure to cook. Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making a dark chocolate fudge cookie with white chocolate chips. So stay tuned and let's make this. Okay, I've got some water that's simmering a little bit. I've got a bowl on top of it, a glass bowl, but you want to kind of turn it down. You want it to simmer. I'm going to add 2 of my unsweetened chocolates. And you can get these in the store. So unsweetened chocolate I'm going to add in here, and I'm going to melt this down. And this is a double boiler. In a bowl, we're going to put all our dry mix first before we do our wet. For these cookies, I'm going to be making about 12 cookies. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla powder. Now that I got everything for my dry ingredients, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to mix it all up with my dry ingredients. Okay, in this bowl, I have 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter that has sitting out and gotten softened. So let's turn it on. Okay, so I'm going to put it in my 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Okay, after I got this nice and beat it and smooth, add my white sugar. And don't forget it's white sugar. It's 1/3 cup of white sugar. All right, now we have 1 large egg that's already been cracked and put into a bowl. Okay, after I beat it up, the egg with the butter and the white sugar and the brown sugar, I'm beating it up till I have like a smooth texture. It's gonna look like a creamy, oh, beautiful almond color. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you get it all in there, guys. You want all that vanilla extract. And I'm gonna slowly beat that vanilla all the way. So our next step is that melted chocolate that cooled off. I'm going to start to pour this into our wonderful sugar mix. Okay, now that I've got it all in, I'm just going to start folding and mixing and folding in until I get this nice incorporated. Okay, so we're going to do a quick stir, making sure all of our ingredients are together. We don't want none on the sides, you remember? And we're going to add 1/2 of this. Okay, let's add the rest of it in. Okay, after I got mixing these up, these are my white chocolate chips. So these are white chocolate chips. Okay, so I'm gonna take my cookie dough and I'm gonna put it, kind of scraping all the rest because I don't want to lose any cookie. And I'm putting it into a bowl that you're gonna sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, at least overnight if you are not planning on cooking any tonight. Okay, my cookies have been in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour, or you can even leave them in there overnight, or you can even freeze them. Okay, so here they are. They've set up. They look wonderful, and they've sat in there, and they've got all that flavor in there. I've got my 4-inch scooper, and you can let these set out a little bit to get a little softer, because once they get in the fridge and they set up, they really set up. It's like, doing an ice cream scooper. Like you have ice cream and you're going in there with real chocolate and you're scooping it out. Oh, that's really hard. I got these cookies and I'm gonna do about 4 of these. Okay, I've got my oven on 350 degrees. So give it about 15 minutes. Try to look at them every 5 minutes. Keep kind of looking at them, make sure they spread out 50 degrees. Make sure you keep your eye on these at all times. Look at that, it's rolling over. Ed wanted to be friends with that cookie, didn't it? Well, they can be friends when they spread out and cook. And these are my chocolate fudge cookies with white chocolate chips. These cookies are still soft and moist. Ooh, look at that, how they bouncing back. These are delicious cookies. We're gonna take these cookies and we're gonna put them on our plate. Oh, look at these. I've had all different types of cookies, and my favorite is chocolate. Okay, so let's break one open. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That looks delicious. It is so good. Hey, I hope you like this recipe because guess what? I didn't cook these cookies alone. You and me, we made this recipe together. And we can make plenty more recipes. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, come back next time for a whole nother recipe and a good time with me on Be Sure to Cook. See you next time. Bye.